Let's start by setting up the device. Charge the device using the USB-C cord included. Total charge time is approximately 3 hours. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn the device on or off. Slide the button on top of the device as indicated to open it. Remove tape from the end of the roll of labels. Load the roll into the device with the label stickers facing up. Leave approximately 1/4 inch of label tape free, then close the device lid. Calibrate the machine by pressing the power button once. The label tape should automatically adjust to the nearest gap. Now let's download the app and connect via Bluetooth. Search for the app on Google Play or the Apple Store, or scan the QR code above. Activate Bluetooth on your cell phone via System Settings or using the pull-down menu. Open the app and select the device in the top left corner. On your cell phone, allow the app to access Bluetooth. Make sure the device is powered on, and it should automatically connect. If the device does not connect, double-click the power button and the device will print a QR code. In the app, select the device again from the upper left corner. Select Scan Connect on the lower right of the screen and scan the QR code. The device should automatically connect. Note, if a PIN code is requested by the app for Bluetooth pairing, please enter 0000. For Android devices, it may be necessary to enable location services in order to connect to Bluetooth. Finally, let's print some labels. In the app, select the Gap Label option. Please note, this device doesn't function with continuous labels, no breaks between the stickers. Select the appropriate label size, 0.59 by 1.57 inches. Then select white for the label color and then the checkmark to confirm. Design your label. Add individual design elements, text, decals, frames, and more, from the bar of options on the bottom of the app screen. To adjust an element on the label, tap it once and an orange rectangle will indicate this item has been selected. Then, adjust the size, placement, and orientation of the element. Add multiple elements and arrange them as desired. Once label is finished, hit print. Select the desired density, and the number of copies and hit print again. Tear the printed label from the device in an upward motion. No scissors needed. Peel and stick your label. As the labels are thermal printed, labels should not be placed on warm or hot surfaces as the design will fade.